In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text outline in Figma. Creating a text outline in Figma is a fantastic way to add a unique visual flair to your designs, making your typography stand out with a distinct, hollow effect. It's a straightforward process, but knowing the precise steps will help you achieve that crisp text outline effortlessly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure you have a text layer selected on your canvas. If you haven't already, take a moment to type out your desired text using the text tool in Figma. Once your text layer is active, you'll notice all its properties displayed in the right-hand sidebar. This is your control panel, where we'll be making all our necessary adjustments. Our very first step is to add a stroke to your text. In design terms, a stroke is essentially the border or outline of an object. To add one, navigate to the right-hand Properties panel and locate the Stroke section. If you don't see it, or if it's minimized, simply click the plus icon next to Stroke to expand it or to add a new stroke. Once you've added it, Figma typically applies a default black stroke with a 1-pixel thickness. You can customize this stroke to perfectly match your design. Click the color swatch next to the stroke to change its hue, and use the numerical input to adjust its thickness. Experimenting with different pixel values will help you achieve the precise visual weight you're aiming for. A thicker stroke creates a bolder outline, while a thinner one offers a more delicate feel. You also have options for how the stroke aligns: inside, outside, or center of your text. While all can be useful, outside or center often yield the most common outline appearances. Now for the second crucial step, which truly transforms your text into an outline. We need to toggle off the visibility for the fill. Currently, your text likely has both an interior fill color and the new stroke we just added. To make only the outline visible, we need to hide that interior fill. Again, look at your right-hand Properties panel. Just above the Stroke section, you'll typically find the Fill section. This is where your text's current interior color is defined. To remove this fill, simply click on the eye icon located next to the fill color swatch. This eye icon functions as a visibility toggle. When you click it, the eye will appear crossed out, indicating that the fill is now hidden. As soon as you do this, you'll see your text instantly transform into a clean, crisp outline, with only the stroke we defined earlier remaining visible.